Hi there, this is Anisha Go for Weight Busters Digital Diner. Today I'd like to talk to you all about menus and show you how Digital Diner can provide you with online ordering. So the first thing we're going to do is log into our dining account. Now when you first log in, you're going to be on the Guest Manager screen. So we want to go to the top of the page, select Menu Manager, and then scroll down and select Menus. Now this whole page is where you're going to access menus, where you can create and edit your menu and choose how you want it to be displayed to your customers. And you can see from here, you can see that it can be displayed through Alexa, the bot widget. Any of those can be used for online ordering purposes. Now you'll see we already have some things created here, but I want to show you exactly, if we were starting from scratch, how to create categories and really get that menu together. Now you can always watch the video tutorial at any point, but you'll see here the first thing you need to do is actually create categories. Now you'll see we've got various categories here: appetizers, entrees, salads, desserts, and whatnot. So I'm going to take you through the process of creating categories, subcategories, just so you can see how easy it is to create that menu. So what we want to do first is create a category. So you'll see right here at the very end of the line, or if you haven't actually created any categories yet, you'll see a plus sign. So I'm going to go ahead and select that plus sign. So I'm going to add categories. We're going to say beverages. Okay. Now right here, we want beverages to have a subcategory. So if you select this, that will be your final category. That will be the one and only. So with beverages, I want to use subcategories, so I'm not going to check that box. So the first thing we want to do is have a main picture just to be representative of that category. So I'm going to browse for a file, and you can always just go online, select a file that you'd like. So I'm going to use this image I have here. It's nice, it's crisp, it's something that will draw people's attention when they're using your online ordering platform. So I'm going to select Save, and then you'll see the category beverages was created. You'll see this pop up, and then you'll see it has been created here. Now I'm actually going to scroll this page over just a bit. So because we are actually going to create subcategories, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, right here, we have beverages selected. So I've clicked on this, I've highlighted this so I can then create my subcategories. Now, if you want to start over, you'll see these three little lines. You can always edit it, so you can change your picture or change the name of the category, or you can delete the category altogether. Okay, so we're not going to do that now, but we have this highlighted. So I'm going to go over here to the plus sign, and I'm going to create subcategories for my category of beverages. Okay, so we're going to start with soft drinks. I'll select Save, and the subcategory soft drinks was created. So now that we have soft drinks, now I want to edit. I don't want to edit there, so what I actually want to do is actually hit the plus sign. The edit will delete or change the name if you decide you want to actually change that subcategory name. So we have subcategory name. We want to add a picture. Again, something that's going to draw attention. So I'm going to select some soft drink pictures here. I will use this photo. Okay, you can always upload a photo or use an URL. I'm going to select Done. And there's my beverage picture. If you decide to change it at any point, you can always hit the delete button, the little trash can, and send a new picture. Now we can add options, but that's going to be in a separate video, but for these purposes we don't need to add options. Now the status of this subcategory is active. We can always make it inactive if we decide we don't want to use that particular subcategory, but we're going to keep it active. Like for example, for this particular category I'm doing beverages. If I want to only have alcohol served on one night of the week, or if I want to have specials and only have them served. So you can actually make that status active or inactive at any point. Okay, so now I'm going to put a title. I'm just going to say soda. And now I can put a description of a drink. So I'm going to say 8-ounce soft drink of your choice. And we can choose from, we'll do Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, or let's say root beer. Okay, so we've created a description and a title, And now we'll put the price per 8-ounce soft drink. So I'm just going to say, oops, $1.99. Okay, so we'll have all of that, and then all we need to do is scroll down to the page and select Save. And you'll see that our soft drink subcategory under the category of beverages has been created. It's active. These 3 dots here, we can make any changes, we can make any edits, anything like that that we'd like. Now, let's say we want to create an additional subcategory. So subcategory of alcoholic beverages. Again, we're going to do the exact same thing. We'll select the plus sign, we'll create the photo, active, description, title, and price. So it's really just that easy to do when you're actually creating your menus. So, and you can do this under any of these. So for example, if I select desserts, I have already added desserts in here. You can see the different options. Now say I decide I no longer want to make this chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to edit that, and I'm going to make that inactive. Scroll down, select Save. So that's currently inactive on the menu. So when it's displayed to your customers, it's actually not going to be shown. So you can see how easy it is to use, how easy it is to create these menus. Again, you have the ability to watch the video tutorial if you would like for any additional questions, any help that you might need. And you'll see it's just very, very easy and simple to do. So this is the menu overview and how to create a menu with Digital Diner. Thanks so much for listening. I'm Anisha Go. Take care.